adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to revisit how to copy code in ScratchJr.
The story behind this project is Kitten's going to be out exploring and observing trees growing in nature. So the first thing we need to do is change the background to the spring background. So let's find that. I think it's that one. There we go. And press tick to select it. Let's move Kitten slightly. Now we're going to add some extra characters that will be trees. So I'll press the plus sign below Kitten, scroll down and find some trees. I like this one, which I'll then add and move to there. I'm also going to add a second tree. So again, I click on the plus button below the characters. I think I'm going to choose this one, like a Christmas tree. Press tick. So there I've got my two trees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a code to one of them and then copy it across to the second one. So we've already got this Christmas tree selected, so I'm going to put the code into that one. So I'm going to go to the yellow category first of all. I'm going to select the start on tap block. I'm then going to go to the motion block and add a movement to the right and a movement to the left. That will look like a wobble as if it's growing. I'm then going to go to the purple category and add a grow block to there. I'm then going to go to the red category and then add an end of program. So I'm going to control how fast these grow by me tapping on them. So that's going to start the program. I'm going to copy this now across by selecting it and dragging it to the character I want to copy the code across to and drop it. That noise means it's copied across. So I've got that code in the Christmas tree and in the other tree exactly the same code. So now when I tap on one, it grows. Tap on the other one, it grows as well. So if I reset that, let's look at that full screen. Tap on the Christmas tree, tap on the other one, tap on the Christmas tree again, tap on the other one, and they grow. Fantastic. I can make that smaller again. If I want to reset or make any changes, I can from here. Well done, everyone.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.